This is the frequently asked homework questions for homework 5.12. So number 2, I went ahead and just sketched that by hand, but the instructions on it said to graph using your calculator. And so if you graph both of these parabolas using your calculator, you're going to find that they never intersect, which is why there's no solution. So let's look at number 8. So number 8, I'm going to treat this to start off with like it's an equation just to help me organize my thoughts. This is like my work here. And I notice that this factors. It's a perfect square trinomial, actually. So I'm going to set this equal to 0. And when I do, I see that these two factors are exactly the same. And so that means it has an even multiplicity. Not only does that mean it has an even multiplicity, but that means negative 8/3 is the x-intercept. Okay? Then I can go back and I see my y-intercept is 64. I can use my axis of symmetry. So I'm at negative 8/3, so this would be negative 16/3. It would end up being solid. And it's greater than, so I'm shading above. Then I heard someone ask about number 12. So let me get number 12 down here. So before I worry about the denominator, I do see in the numerator I have some like terms, negative 3 and 6, that's 3. Negative 3i and 5i, that's 2i over 2 plus 2i. Now we want to rationalize our denominator because we don't want i's in the denominator, which means I need to multiply by 2 minus 2i in both the numerator and denominator. And in my denominator, if I do it correctly, all of the i's should cancel. So 2 times 2 is 4, negative 4i, positive 4i, negative 4i squared. And I'm going to concentrate just on the denominator for a moment. Those cancel. The value of I squared is negative 1. That means negative 4i squared is positive 4. So that means I get 8 in the denominator. Let's go back and take care of my numerator. So I'm going to distribute it. Negative 6i and 4i, that's negative 2i. I squared is negative 1, so that means negative 4i squared is plus 4, so I get 10. I can take a 2 out of everything, and then let's write it in standard form. And there we go.